Okay, so in this video we are going to look at an exam question on expected value. So we're told, we'll highlight our important information. So she has a probability of 1 in 20 of winning, probability of 1 in 10 of finishing second, and a probability of 1 in 4 in finishing third. Okay, if she wins, she gets 9,000. If she comes second, she gets 7,000. And if she comes third, she gets 3,000. In all other cases, she gets nothing. And then she must pay 2,000 to enter. So we're told now that she's going to lose. But they want us to work out the expected value of this loss. So it'll be 1 over 20. The odds of winning is 1 in 20, and if she wins, she gets 9,000. Plus the odds of coming second is 1 in 10 multiplied by 7,000. The odds of coming third are 1 in 4 times 3,000. We could figure out the remaining probability for winning nothing, but that will be multiplied by 0 and we'll give back 0 then, so there's not a huge benefit to that. Okay, so we have 1 over 20 by 9,000 plus 1 over 10 multiplied by 7,000 plus 1 over 4 multiplied by 3,000. Enter calculator, gives back 1,900. So the expected return is 1,900. She pays 2,000 to enter. So we get 2,000 minus 1,900 equals 100. So the expected value or loss, we can call it, is €100. Okay. And that was for 15 marks, a very generous 15 marks really. And part B now, we're told each of the 3 prizes is increased by the same amount. Okay, but the entry fee remains unchanged. So if she wins now, she's going to get 9,000 plus X. She now expects to break even. So if we have expected value equal to 0, we would call it a fair bet. But by breaking even, it means we can let our expected value equal 0. Okay, so what happens here then is the odds remain the same. And then it'll be 9,000 plus X, and then we had 1/10 times 7,000 plus X plus 1/4 times 3,000 plus X. Okay, so enter a calculator. And then they tell us at the end, if she breaks even, then we can set it equal to 0. So that gives me 9,000 by 1 over 20 is 450. And 7,000 by 1/10 will give me 700. 1/4 of 3,000 gives me 750. X over 4 equals so if she breaks even, then originally that would have meant that she won back 2,000. So the entry fee is unchanged. So we set that equal to 2,000. We're just going to put like with like now. So we'll tidy up the X values first. They'll be remaining on the left hand side. So we have plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4. Give me back 2x over 5 is equal to 2,000 minus 450 plus 700 plus 750. So 2x over 5 is equal to 100. 2x equals 500. X equals 250. Okay, so there's our answer now for the increase. Okay, so that's 10 marks for part B. A little bit more work in this one, but once you set it up with the expected value formula at the start, it was a fairly straightforward question then. Okay, and that's that question answered.